So we got this idea today on how to get our logs up from down the hill. So we're using the excavator, going through the rope here on a chain on the bucket. Going down, take this crab pot rope and the carabiner and going around the logs as far down as we can reach and pulling them all the way up. Yeah, that's slipperier when you're stepping on wet bark. That was fun. Watch out for the slippery bark. Let's try this one next. These are the steel carabiners. A little bit stronger. Not sure what rating that 23 kilonewton. But we're just doing a slow pull on them. Then we just run the rope all the way back. So far the furthest one we did was way down there. But I got to get that log, that one, and eventually that one way at the end. And maybe that firewood, a couple little ones. Here we go, back up the hill. Ideally, if I had a snatch block pulley, I could put it up here maybe and have it go down straight all the way to the bottom down there and bring it. That way I could just hook up and drive up the hill over here past the house and pull them all the way to about here. But we've been having to do it in stages. Let me pause this. I'm not sure how I can hold this and tie the knot for you. What I've been doing, I believe it's called the bowline knot. Just do one twist, like so. And then, let's try that. Then I come through that. Here, I want to pause this and show you after I get it started. I just created a loop in there, pull the tail end through it, and then I go around it and then back through the hole the same direction to lock it in. So there it is, completed. Pulled in tail, that way I don't have to pull the whole thing through every time. And then we just fire up the excavator and pull as far as we can until we gotta retie it again. And repeat about 3 or 4 times. like created our own log jam here. Let's clear that up real quick. Okay, got that cleared up. Untie that and pull the slack. 1 second. Okay, I got that tight. Pull off the slack and try it again. Probably be the last reset. Should be able to grab it from here. Oh, that failed. Let's do that again. All right, take 2. Cut out that mistake. little bit of work, but way better than dragging that up by hand. Yeah, ideally we could get it through a pulley up here on one of these taller trees and go way down there. And then we could just drive right up that hill there and probably pull them all in one shot if we had somebody spotting for snags. The only reason I'm doing this work is because I don't have a winch to try and use, but it's working. We're getting some of those logs up the hill here from the ones we dropped last year. We got a couple more to take out, like this one here that's dead. Don't know what killed that one, but it's a little close to the house to be dead standing. I was just hoping to get some of those logs, use them for some timbers to hopefully make something around here for like a woodshed and stuff. And some of it will probably be firewood. But if you like watching this kind of content, I'm sure we'll be putting some more videos out of all the random projects we'll be doing around here. Well, I guess that's about it for now. It's almost dinner time. I'm getting kind of hungry, so I'll talk to you guys later.